Here's a video about our washer. The drum froze. You couldn't move it. Right now you can move it around. It's working again, but it was froze up. And I show you a little bit about what we did. It's not very detailed, but in the end I ended up tearing out the whole basket and drum and replacing the bearings on the back and the front ring. Balance ring was worn. You'll see that in the other video too. So big job. I probably had about 8 hours into it and $150 in parts. Was it worth it? We'll see. If it will keep washing for another 5 years, that'd be cool. GE front load washer. Here's the model number. Heard a big clunk, and now the inner basket will not turn by hand and doesn't seem to reset with power on or off or anything. Part 2, remove that back cover, and that's what you'll have. Part 3, take off the bolt. Center bolt that goes right there, and then get this thing off. It comes off kind of hard because of the magnetics. And underneath you got the coil for the drum. As you can see, there is some major burn and wear and tear or something. There we go. So I don't know the cure yet. We'll let you know. So here's the motor coil. You can see where I think I'm going to have to replace the seal and the bearing on the drum because it must have leaked a little. I got some rust coming through there, a lot of rust on top. I can probably clean that up just with very light sanding. Anyway, next we'll be tearing out the drum. So here's the washer with the drum removed. Lots of work. 2 men is handy. I did alone and it was not fun. And here's the drum with the top cover removed. As you can see now, the drum does spin and the bearing's good. Problem is here, this balance ring, as you can see, it's worn through, a big crack in there. And these ball bearings that ride in here to help keep a balanced load were causing my binding. So I need to get a new balance ring. All in all, it's been about 3 hours of labor so far. A lot of YouTubing, not knowing what to take apart. Got to get it back together and hopefully it won't leak once I get a new balanced ring that looks like to be about a $70 to $100 part. Good luck.